the business case for exploring drones and robots. You are mindful that drones and robots have a serious application to improving logistical operations. You may have seen many media articles advertising this amazing technology, but where do you go and who do you trust to ensure this expensive investment is what will drive your business improvement? When business leaders are making technology investment decisions, they generally seek to hit their project targets for efficiency, productivity, schedule, and budget. Often constrained by time and resources, they have little appetite to be consumed or distracted by numerous advertised options and the bright, shiny toy syndrome that can quickly absorb their budget and schedule. Competitive advantage must be grasped when it is on offer, and the amount of time between decision and execution of technology investments may be a risk to your competitive advantage. How much risk appetite do you have?